Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete messages on Telegram desktop. Telegram allows you to remove messages from your conversations whenever you want. This can be useful if you send a message by mistake, if you want to clean up a conversation, or if you simply no longer need a particular message. So let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, select the conversation where you want to delete a message. Now, find the message that you want to remove. You can delete a text message, and depending on the type of content, you may also be able to remove other messages from the conversation. To delete a message, right-click on it. A menu with several options will appear. From this menu, select Delete. Telegram will now display the available deletion options. Depending on the conversation and the message, you may see options to delete the message for yourself or remove it for everyone in the conversation. If you want to remove the message only from your own chat history, choose the option for deleting it for yourself. If Telegram provides an option to delete the message for everyone, you can select that option when you want the message to be removed from the conversation for all participants. Before confirming, carefully review the option you are selecting. Once you are ready, confirm the deletion. The selected message will then be removed according to the option you chose. Remember that deleting a message can be permanent, so always make sure you are deleting the correct message before confirming. For this reason, it is a good idea to carefully review the message and the deletion options before proceeding. If you want to delete multiple messages, Telegram may also allow you to select more than one message and remove them together. This can be useful when you want to clean up several messages from a conversation. The exact options may vary depending on the type of chat and the version of Telegram that you are using. And that's how you can delete messages on Telegram desktop. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.